Welcome back to another episode of Daniel's Garage. We're in the middle of taking the engine apart, replacing the turbo, removing the filters from the banjo bolts that were restricting oil feed to the turbo. Just cleaning up everything, do a little bit of refresh. Previous owner had not taken very good care of this vehicle. So while we're tearing this all down, might as well take the spark plugs out, replace those, possibly do a compression test since there's the potential for metal shavings that have flown into the engine from the turbo that disintegrated. And looks like a little bit of a tight fit, but let's get started. Working on the passenger side now. Just took out the whole air box that gives you pretty much full access to the other two coil packs and spark plugs. This one looks like it'll be a little bit easier to reach. So we got all the spark plugs out. This was driver side front and rear, passenger side front and rear. Turbo sits right there. As you can see, one of them is just crumbled. Otherwise, they don't look terrible. I've seen worse. Otherwise, that side was a lot easier than the driver's side. Cylinder 1. Is that 140? Right around 150. Cylinder 2. Right at 150. Just like cylinder 3, a little bit higher than cylinder 1. And last one, cylinder 4. It's like another 150 on that one. Alright, so this engine is actually pretty good. I'm very happy with those results. So I do have some new spark plugs I'm going to put in. And we'll continue rebuilding as we get parts. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more content.